Hello everyone, I am Vandana Shukla, Master Trainer with VMarts Career Consultants Private Limited. I am going to start IELTS online classes from Monday onwards. And what all I'll be covering in these online classes, first of all, I'll be sharing all the content with you in terms of clarifying the concepts of your listening, reading, writing and speaking. And when I say that I'll be clarifying the concepts, I want to make you assure that it's not a kind of a very exercise which will go in a rush. I'll be clarifying your concepts step by step. Let's say we are doing reading. There are certain question types in reading. We will be practicing one particular question type and then do a practice on that. Then the another, then do a practice on that. Other than the concepts, I am going to share book with you. Please, this book is written down. It's written down by me. It's not that I'll be sharing some other PDF with you. I know most of the students actually do a lot of Google. They actually search a lot on they search a lot on YouTube, and apart from that they actually go through a lot of books just to understand the IELTS as a whole. So what I have done for you, I have compiled the books on my own, in which I have written down what are the strategies to answer a particular question. If you have any doubt, what you should do in writing, what you should do in listening, speaking and reading. So you will get a book which is written down by me. Then third, you will also get 60 practice test and mock test. So the material, there is no, I'm not facing any shortage of material. I have a good lot of material, and this material is authentic Cambridge material. So whatever you will be practicing on, that is the authentic material and that is the updated one. So let's say you are doing any particular type of a question that is based on, the recent tests that have been coming. Okay. Other than that, you will be getting 20 speaking sessions with me. So when I say 20 speaking sessions with me, it means you will be having one-to-one speaking session with me, in which you get the personal feedback, and even we actually do a time management in speaking so that student develop a habit of speaking within a particular time frame. Okay, last but not the least, you have an access, you will also get an access to a library of books from our side, wherein you have a lot of things to practice on, let's say essay reading, or could be model answers for your speaking. So in nutshell, you will be getting the right guidance on IELTS online classes from me. If you're looking for your IELTS training, please contact us immediately.